Hey all, this is a 2003 Cherokee 275L for sale at Collier RV. So this is a unit that's $49.95. This would make a great hunting cabin or a little handyman project. Not in too bad a shape. I'll just kind of go through it. Nice thing with this is it's real light and it has new tires. We put 4 tires on here. All right, so let's go inside. So I'll tell you what the previous owner was doing. They had this rear wall as a movie theater. They had a giant TV back here, and they had some curtains, and yeah, they made it work. But as it sits, it has no TV, but it does have a bracket if you want to put in a TV. Otherwise, you can put some chairs back here. You know, the floor, I think at one point it's been replaced. It's soft in a couple spots, not terrible, but this little corner here is fairly soft, and then there's just kind of a few random spots where there's some softness, but all in all, this is pretty clean, you know, for an as-is unit. You have a couch, dinette, so you can sleep at the couch. Dinette will make down into a bed. Then you have that big open space to where I'm standing. Put an air mattress down, so you can sleep a lot of people if you need to. All right, we have not tested the appliances on this. I know the previous owner was using it, which is a good thing. All right, here's your bedroom. All right, you get the walk-around bed. You have like a little toilet nook thing going on. There's your shower, sink. All right, let's go check out the outside. Okay, on the door side, you have propane tank on each side. You have pass-through storage in here. Here's your power cord. Manual awning, I have not had that out. From the portion I can see, looks good. Here's your water heater and the backside of your refrigerator and the backside of your furnace. Again, we have not tested the appliances on here. We have put tires on it, and we did check the LP system to make sure it's not leaking. The rear wall has kind of custom sealant job, right? And there's a few patches on the roof. But the slide does go in and out. This wood, if you buy it, I'd recommend putting a battery on it. The battery's from 21, so it's really, you know, trailer batteries seem to last like 2 years. So I'd recommend replacing that. But it does have new tires. Nice and light, nice and small. All in all, pretty good camper for a nice price. So give us a call if you're interested.